Jayda here, and I'm back with another video. And in today's video, I have a special guest who is none other than the woman who gave birth to me, my mother. And today we're gonna be trying, emphasis on the word trying, to bake chocolate chip cookies. So this is a first for the both of us, because disclaimer, we aren't women of the kitchen. Mas gusto namin kumain.
Alam mo, nag-aral ako dati nung baking. Nag-attend ako ng baking class dati, pero parang hindi ko alam kung bakit wala akong masyadong naalala dun sa mga pinag-aralan ko. Ang naalala ko lang, kumain. Kaya ang ginawa ko, tumawag ako ng Lifeline!
Sino si Lifeline?
Eh, syempre, yung isa sa mga favorite ninang mo, no? Masarap mag-bake yun eh.
Yeah.
Si Ninang Joyce.
Yes. Shout out to Ninang Joyce.
Sana lang maalala natin yung mga tinuro niya, no?
Sana naman, no? But anyway, we hope that the end result is good, and this should be a fun bonding experience for the both of us. So anyway, let's just get right into the video. Alright, so for our ingredients, Mom, do you want to read?
No, you go ahead.
Why not?
You read.
What?
It's English kasi. It's hard. I might, nosebleed in half.
Go!
Kaya ko na,
Okay. So for our ingredients, we have 1 cup of unsalted butter, which will be browned later. 1.5 teaspoon of vanilla extract. 1.5 cup of brown sugar. 1/2 cup of granulated sugar. We have 2 eggs at room temperature. 2.5 cups of all-purpose flour. 2.5 teaspoons of baking powder. 1/2 teaspoon of sea salt. And finally, 3/4 cup of semi-sweet chocolate chips. So guys, now that we've finished washing our hands, we're gonna be browning the butter till it's a kind of amber, goldish kind of hue. Spell hue, Ma. Spell hue.
Hugh? I'm not feeling well.
Why are we browning the butter, Mom?
Binabrown natin yan para mas rich yung flavor ng butter.
Ano, ikot-ikot lang.
Oh, ikot-ikot lang. Parang ikot-ikot. Parang mala-Jessa din na.
Jessa, gawin mo yung kamay.
Ganun.
Gawin mo yung kamay.
I'm tired na. So, nandyan na ngayon yung ating butter.
Yes.
So, lalagyan mo na ang vanilla
extract. So we're gonna be putting this in first. So this is pre-measured. So I'm just gonna be dumping this in.
Tapos yung dalawang sugar. Brown, this white.
Yeah, so I'm gonna start off by just dumping this in. And then we have the white sugar here.
Ay, hindi nanginginig eh.
Wait, pasmado po kasi ako.
Meron pa na eh.
May natitira pa. Parang yung pagmamahal ko para sa kanya. Oh good.
So now, baba mo na siya. Lalak muna natin.
Put it over to number 4.
Number 4.
And then we're just gonna mix away. So ngayon naman guys, we're gonna be putting in the eggs. We have 2 over here at room temperature. And I'm just gonna be sliding them in. These have been pre-cracked. And we're gonna mix away.
Ngayon, lalagyan na natin ang salt.
And then we have our baking powder over here. We're gonna pour that right in.
Oops!
We have the flour. Quick tip. So you gotta put this in slowly. Nice and steady. Am I doing this right?
Nakakalat po siya.
It's all coming together now, guys. For our final step of mixing, we're gonna be putting in my favorite part, the chocolate chips.
Ano yan? Ghirardelli or Ghirardelli?
Yeah.
Yung sobrang sarap na chocolate from San Francisco.
Yeah.
Kung saan tayo nakatira.
So I'm just gonna be putting this in right here. Nice and slow. Hopefully hindi na naman ako magkalat. That's so satisfying. This looks so good.
Bango?
Now that our cookie batter mixture is finally complete, see this? And now all we have to do is scoop this mixture onto the cookie sheet that we have right over here. You can either use an ice cream scooper or a cookie scooper. Or if you want to, you can always just use a spoon and just hand roll it yourself. All we need to do is just put it in the oven. So yeah,
For 13 minutes.
Yes, at 350 degrees Fahrenheit, if I'm not mistaken. I don't know how that much is in Celsius. Hindi po ako magaling sa math. wag niyo na po akong tanungin.
Depende sa'yo kung anong size ang gusto mo.
Yeah, you can either go for bite-sized if you want or medium-sized ones.
Pwede mo rin siyang i-shape.
Yeah, we washed our hands before this, so hopefully this turns out all right.
Pwede ba ganito? Kung gusto mo mas...
Let's roll it.
Parang ngayon palang gusto ko na siyang kainin.
Ganon. Meron po kaming coach behind the camera, si Direct Joyce. Joyce C.
Ano ba ginagawa ko? Ha?
Tama po ba to, Direct?
Parang ball.
Yes, tama.
Roll
parang-
it like a ball.
parang
Exactly.
ball?
Like, yan, kay Jayda, exactly.
Nakakaiyak po. Nakatama po ako dito sa baking. I'm pursuing this full-time. Full-time!
Bakit po siya nawala? Yung chocolate? Where is the... Okay.
I don't know which is better. If I should do this or if I should do it flat like yours. This is better?
Okay.
Ha.
Hindi ko nga alam, ba't hindi ko naalala yung ginawa namin to sa...
Naalala
sa
mo
class?
lang kainin siguro yung ginawa niyo.
Feeling ko dun sa class, natulog yata ako.
A few minutes later.
So guys, this is the finished product and we're gonna be calling in our guest of honor to be our taste tester. Hopefully it turns out okay.
Oo nga.
The one and only.
Honey!
The man, the legend himself, Ding Dong Avanzado.
I'm the guest of honor.
Yes.
Mahilig kumain.
Yes.
Okay.
Mas gusto ko
Tikman
to.
mo.
Ako ang taste tester.
May feelings kapag kumain.
Oo.
So we want your honest opinion. Tell us if it's good, if it's bad.
Mas gusto ko ang taste testing kaysa sa swab testing. Okay.
So go for it.
Sige, tikman mo na.
No, just keep staring at it. Okay. I'll slow-mo this.
It's so crunchy and chewy at the same time. And the flavor of the chocolate, it's so rich and smooth.
Masarap.
Absolutely delicious.
Ang tagal. Hindi ba talaga may suspense pag... So mission accomplished. Yay!
Diyan,
It's
hindi pwede ko
melting.
lang kakain. Hindi ko lang.
Kami din.
Oh,
wow,
wow,
the
susunod
chocolate's
pa.
melting, guys. So I think this is a good way to end the video. Thank you guys so much for watching, and please give this video a thumbs up if you liked it, and make sure to leave a comment down below of other content that you want to see me do on my channel. And make sure to subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell to be updated on my next upload. So thank you guys so much again for watching. See you in my next video. Ang payat po. So next up, we're gonna be putting in the 2 eggs that are at rem. Okay, wait lang.
Yung totoo.
One more time.
Tawa po siya.
At rem. Okay.
Natutulog yan.
Okay.
Nahawa na po siya sa akin.
So next up, we're gonna be putting in. I just got the giggle.
Hindi pa po tapos yung tawa niya. Alam mo, malakas sa nanay mo.
Ikaw na lang kasi.
Okay.